Hello guys, welcome back to another drone flight of Unported Legend. Today we are here in Palmer's Green in London Borough of Enfield in North London. So without further ado, let's take off. Alright, so it's a nice sunny day. What we're going to do, we're just going to zip around Palmer's Green here. It's a nice little area in London Borough of Enfield. So what we're going to do is going to go up to the max height and then we're going to do a 360 photo and explore Palmer's Green. So let's go to the town centre first and then we'll do a 360 photo right in the middle of here. We'll go right here. Alright, so flying in Palmer's Green, London Borough of Enfield. So let's just get a shot of this area, North London. Let's go down this road. So it's a bit later in the day because I've come out later because the train was coming late. It took long. I came in the Piccadilly line. I went near here, which is Honest Grove. Honest Grove is not far from here. You'll probably see that from down here. I don't know if I do a second drone flight today because I might get later, I'll see. So go down to the A406. Right, so it's going to go down towards the A406. So we're just going to go down here instead. So let's go towards Honest Grove. Actually no, let's go down towards here. Towards the main part of the... There's nothing much down in that area, so... It's a nice area to fly here in North London. Let's go to the main area down here. Go down towards there. I was gonna fly from the park, but there was a lot of trees around, so I just thought, you know what, this area's got a big car park. It's really dry. It looks like there's been a lot of fires around London and the UK because it's been really dry and hot here. all the grass is becoming dry, and because of that, it's becoming easily flammable. And that's why we're seeing a lot of wildfires recently. Like any small ignition will just cause it all to burn. That's why you get a lot of fires here recently. We've been getting a lot recently throughout London. There was one in Walthamstow a few days ago. There's one down in around Havering area in East London. Yeah, there's been a lot. There's one in Stratford next to the station one time. Like, that was a few days ago. But we never really get it on the drone because by the time I hear about it, it's kind of late. I remember in one of the flats it happened, and I was able to go down there and I was able to get a shot of that. So look at that, we've got a lot of trees down here. Get a shot down here. It's got a nice park here in this area. Right, let's go down here. Let's get a shot of the neighbourhood of the area down here. Got a nice little neighbourhood. Got a shot of this area down here. Even though the shadows are harsher, it's still a nice sunny day here. It's a little bit later in the evening. Let's go down towards here. I'm going to walk towards here because I get a better shot. I'm going to go to the other side, that's why. Get shut down this area down here. It looks like there's construction happening in this area. Let's fly down there. Get a shot of this park of the area. This part of the area, I mean, not this park. I was saying this part of the park, that's what I meant. There's a place called New River. It's called New River. I thought it was the River Brent, because we're in North London. I mean, no, the River Brent starts from Barnet area, goes through Brent. We're in Palmer's Green here, in London Borough of Enfield. Yeah, just follow this river. I thought it was a canal of some sort. I think it does end up to the River Thames. I know we have the Grand Union Canal near here. Not near here, but I think it goes through West London and North West London as well. Seems to be a nice sunny day here. Get a shot of this tennis court. Get a shot of the neighbourhood of this area. I remember in South Harrow, on one of my drone flights, when I was flying in South Harrow, I usually put my lav mic in my phone and my bag, and then it ended up disconnecting while it was in my bag. So we're going on here this time. And what I'll do, get shut down this area. Quite noisy here, I might go down towards here. Yeah, let's get a nice shot over here in this area. It's a bit hot today. It's not that hot. That's why I chose to fly on this day, because there's pretty much no winds here. I'm going to walk to a different part so you can get a nice different shot here. Let's go down towards this area down there. Should I do a second drone flight? I'll see if I do a second drone flight. Let's go down towards this area. Down here. Only thing is the shadows are a bit harsher today. Not today, I mean because of the time. It's a bit late. Where else can we go? I came here because it's better to get a nice straight down shot, so I can go towards this area down here, Green Lane. Actually, you know what we'll do? I wanted to get a quick shot of this. You know what? Let's come back. Actually, we're in North London 13. Yeah, we'll have to come back because the battery's a bit low now. I want to get a shot of that area. I might go there after. I might use my second battery in the area. I'll see. Because we need time to land it as well. I mean, I should have stayed where I was. I wanted to get a straight down shot of that road, but then I couldn't get a straight down shot there anyway. I mean, I kind of did though. Anyway, let's land it. I'll land it right here. Let's land it right over here. Where I am. Oops, land it right here. I'll be behind it because we need to see it properly. All alright, so that was my amazing drone flight here in Palmer's Green, North London, in London Borough of Enfield. Hope you enjoyed this video and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.